If you ever crack your knuckles, don't believe it's your bones grinding together like most people think. When you pull on a finger, the space inside the joint suddenly expands, dropping the pressure and forming tiny gas bubbles. When those bubbles collapse, they pop. And that's the cracking sound you hear. But wait, I'll tell you why you can't do it again right away. If you love money more than your parents, ignore this. But if you love your parents more than money, hit like, subscribe, share this video, and comment, "I love you, Mom and Dad." Here's the truth. Those bubbles take about 30 minutes to reform, which is why the same knuckle won't crack twice in a row. And if you force it too hard, you could press the wrong spot and actually dislocate your finger.